Doesn't this give you a familiar feeling of an Ultra making its debut? In fact, this is Vivo's soon-to-be-released versatile compact mirrorless camera, the Vivo X300s. This video will tell you where it's all-powerful, where it's compact, and why it dares to call itself a mirrorless camera. Its compactness stems from Vivo's pursuit of lightweight portability, and this generation's new Zeiss Gimbal Camera 2 already provides the answer. Compared to its predecessor, it's shrunk from 110 to 96mm, and its weight has dropped from 210 to 153 grams. The lens module has also been significantly reduced, finding a perfect balance between imaging and portability. The reason it's called a mirrorless camera is its ultra-level imaging experience. First, hardware-wise, it boasts a large Zeiss sensor, a 200mm main camera, 50mm telephoto, and 50mm ultra-wide. With the added pinhole lens, it truly achieves full focal length composition freedom, just like the Ultra. Second, software-wise, it gains the Ultra's multiple camera color styles and the new Blueprint color palette. You can adjust saturation and contrast by simply sliding up, down, left, or right. The advanced version offers more than 12 detail adjustments. Long press your save presets to share with friends and really impress them. For example, they feature chasing light, and rich color styles are comparable to League One's negative and positive films. Chasing light is low exposure and low contrast, which can soften cluttered colors. When using a telephoto lens for close-up portraits, you get a more lifelike and atmospheric feel. Plus, telephoto lenses naturally compress space, making it easier to avoid cluttered backgrounds and compose shots. Even beginners can easily master it. And with Vivo's pinpoint lens, you can capture distant scenery, even hundreds of meters away. It also supports telephoto macro, letting you zoom in on spring grass, instantly transporting you to a microscopic world. This time, the flash was upgraded with new LED materials. It now easily covers an 85mm focal length, making skin tones in portraits appear more translucent and beautiful. Its rich style, with high exposure and contrast, is better for landscapes or urban street shots. With the 200MP setup, even at 1x focal length, casual shots in complex scenes can be reframed and recomposed through post-processing and secondary cropping. Plus, Vivo's 200MP photos are processed quickly. You can get your picture almost instantly after pressing the shutter. It's called all-encompassing because from performance, imaging, screen and system, to speakers, motors, dust and shadow protection, cooling, overclocking and high frame rates, if you can find a weak spot, I'll lose. It's powered by the Dimensity 9500 chip, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time Vivo has put 144Hz high refresh rate on its flagship phone. I tested Genshin Impact and it easily ran at near max frames. Other games like Honor of Kings also maintained a stable 104 frames per second. My film green model features a camera-style splice design, giving it a mirrorless camera feel. Its back uses a suspended water drop gel glass process and a minimalist circular lens, minimizing visual protrusion. Overall, after completing the final piece of the pinhole lens puzzle and combining it with Ultra's full imaging experience, the Vivo X300s isn't just for professionals. It's a versatile, compact mirrorless camera perfect for everyday users.